How to swap Metro by T-Mobile phone. Open the My Metro app on your current phone and sign into your Metro by T-Mobile account. Go to the Accounts section where your active phone line is displayed. Select the phone line that you want to switch to another phone. Find the option that allows you to change or swap your device. Enter the IMEI number of the new phone you want to use. Make sure the new phone is unlocked and supports the Metro network. Check the device information shown on the screen for accuracy. Confirm that you want to continue with the phone swap request. Follow the instructions shown in the app to complete the process. Turn off the old phone once the swap request is approved. Remove the SIM card from the old phone carefully. Insert the SIM card into the new phone properly. Turn on the new phone and wait for the signal to appear. Place a test call or send a message to confirm the phone is working on your Metro service. Thank you for watching.